Hello friends, today's topic, which is better, buy and hold or sell for regular profits? I am Dr. Bharat Chandra. The purpose of the video is service to society. When investing for the long term, we can either buy, hold and monitor stocks, or we can regularly sell and do profit booking. The temptation for large number of investors is to do profit booking since it always feels good when profit is realized instead of just seeing unrealized profits. However, data has been studied on which approach is better, buy and hold or regular profit booking. To check this, Nifty index performance was taken into consideration for various 10-year periods. Here, it is assumed that whenever an investor does profit booking, he invests the money in liquid funds or bank deposits. Now, buy and hold versus profit booking strategies. 2000 to 2009 10-year period, buy and hold annualized returns 15.2, profit booking at 30% gains 12.8, profit booking at 50% gains 12.6, and profit booking at all-time highs 11.7%. 2001 to 2010, buy and hold annualized returns 19.1, profit booking at 30% gains 14.1, profit booking at 50% gains 14.6, profit booking all-time highs 13.7%. Now the period 2002 to 2011. Buy and hold annualized returns 17.7%, profit booking 30% gains 15.1%, profit booking 50% gains 15.7%, profit booking all-time high 14.9%. 2003 to 2012, buy and hold annualized returns 20.1, profit booking 30% gains 16.2, profit booking 50% gains 16.8, profit booking all-time highs 15.9. Now continuing 2004 to 2013, buy and hold annualized returns 14.2, profit booking at 30% 13.5, profit booking at 50% gains 13.1, profit booking all-time high 12.6%. 2005 to 2014, 16.2 is buy and hold annualized returns, and profit booking 30% gains 14.2, profit booking 50% gains 14.6, profit booking all-time high 13.6%. 2006 to 2015, 12.2 is the buy and hold annual returns, profit booking at 30% gains 12.1, profit booking at 50% gains 11.8, profit booking all-time high 11.9%. Now the period 2007 to 2016, buy and hold annual returns dropped down to 8.8 because there was a very big market crash in 2008, and then profit booking at 30% gains 10, profit booking at 50% gains 10.5, profit booking all-time high 9.5%. 2008 to 2017, buy and hold annual return 6.7%, profit booking at 30% gains 6.3, profit booking at 50% gains 6.6, profit booking all-time high 6.3%. 2009 to 2018, buy and hold annual return 15%, profit booking 30% gains 13.9, at 50% gains 13.6, and profit booking all-time high 14.8. 2010 to 2019, buy and hold annualized returns 10.2%, profit booking 30% gains 9.5, profit booking 50% gains 9.8, profit booking all-time high 9.6. 2011 to 2020, buy and hold annual returns 9.9, profit booking 30% 9.1, profit booking 50% gains 9.3, profit booking all-time high 8.7%. Now going to 2012 to 2021, buy and hold annual returns 15.5%, profit booking 30% gains 12.5, profit booking 50% gains 12.9, profit booking all-time high 12.2%. 2013 to 2022, buy and hold annual returns 13.1, profit booking at 30%, 10.9, profit booking 50% gains, 11.3, profit booking all-time high, 10.5%. Now observations and comments regarding this video. In this study, for simplicity of calculations, capital gains tax and other charges such as STT, stamp duty, stock exchanges fees, etc. have not been considered for the profit booking strategies. Otherwise, the profit would have been reduced further. Number 2, except for one 10-year period, 2007 to 2016, when buy and hold strategy gave lower returns than profit booking strategy in all other periods. Buy and hold strategy was clearly better in terms of returns. Number 3, while profit booking may feel like the correct decision since markets may be at a very high level and it may seem likely that there is a correction. However, when stocks are held further for some more time, the overall appreciation will beat the profit booking strategy. Number 4, if this study had been done for 15 to 20 year period, the difference between buy and hold and profit booking strategies would have been much higher. Number 5, of course, for the buy and hold strategy, investor would have to do proper fundamental analysis and monitoring to be confident that the stocks will continue to do well. Number 6, profit booking strategy is similar to buying and selling plots of land whenever you earn a certain percentage of profit. It may seem more logical when you think about how disadvantageous it will be to regularly buy and sell real estate instead of holding it for many years continuously. End of the video. Here is a question. Have you done profit booking in your long-term portfolio in the past and regretted selling? Yes or no? In case you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra and Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.